students, welcome to physics class. I am Rohini Chogle. In previous classes already we discussed about the digital electronics. In that number system also and also the conversion of those number system. In this class I want to discuss about the Boolean algebra and De Morgan's theorem. See here, in Boolean algebra is a system of mathematics based on the logic. It has its own set of fundamental laws which are necessary for manipulating different Boolean expression. These are some Boolean expression. Okay, using these Boolean expression we have to solve the Boolean algebra equations. So these are the Boolean expression: a plus 0 equals to a plus 1 equals to a. So remember this expression: a plus a equals to a plus a bar equals to 1, a into 0 equal to 0, a into 1 equals to a into a equals to a into a bar that is equals to 0, a double bar that is equals to a, 1 bar equals to 0, 0 bar is 1, remember 1 bar is 0, 0 bar is 1, conversion. Next, if a equals to 1 then a bar equals to 0, inversion, a equal to 1 means inverse of a is 1, inverse of 1 is 0, like that. If a equals to 0 then a bar equals to 1, a plus b that is equals to b plus a dot b that is equals to b dot a, and also a plus b plus c that is a plus b plus c that is equals to a plus b plus c, a dot b dot c, a dot b dot c equal to a dot b dot c, a dot b plus c that is a dot b plus a dot c, like that. A plus b dot c, a plus b dot a plus c, a plus ab that is equals to a dot a plus b that is equals to a plus a bar b, a plus b, a dot a bar plus b that is equals to ab plus a b bar that is equals to a plus b bar equals to ab plus a bar c that is equals to a plus c a bar plus b, a plus b a bar plus c that is equals to ac plus a bar c, ab plus a bar c plus bc that is equals to ab plus a bar c, a plus b a bar plus c b plus c that is equals to a plus b a plus c. So a plus b plus c so on bar that is equals to a bar dot b bar dot c bar, a dot b dot c so on bar that is equals to a bar plus b bar plus c bar so on. Okay, so using these expression we have to solve Boolean equations. So remember these expression. Okay, now see here we have to move on De Morgan's theorem. See here students, this is very important for your exam purpose. 10 marks question will ask explain De Morgan's theorem. So there are two laws of De Morgan's theorem. One is De Morgan's first law, another one is De Morgan's second law. Okay, let us move to the De Morgan's first law. The De Morgan's first law stated that the complement of sum is equals to the product of their complement. Very easy laws. Okay, see here, the complement of sum is equal to the product of their complements. Here these are the complement of sum. Complement means bar only, inversion. The complement of sum means consider a and b, input and output, a and b. So complement of sum is equal to the product of their complement, a plus b bar that is equals to a bar dot b bar. Easy now. See here, a and b, these are the input. Okay, a plus b bar, this is output. These are the gates. In next class I want to discuss about the basic gates and conversion of those gates. In that class we will know about what do we mean by the gate. Okay, what do you mean by NAND gate, NOR gate, AND, OR, XOR, etc. Okay, just remember this is the gate A and B. A plus B means what? And A plus B, OR gate. This is OR gate. Okay, so this is NOR gate. A plus B that is OR, A plus B bar that is NOR. Here it is equivalent to this is what? Which gate? A bar and B bar. This is NOR gate, this is NOR gate. So this is AND gate, that is A bar, that is what? A bar and B bar. Okay, sir, A bar, B bar, and means what? A and B. Okay, in next class you will learn about what we mean by the AND gate, OR gate, etc. Okay, in that class it will easy to remember. Here, this is OR, this is NOR, this is nor this is and. So a plus b bar that is equals to a bar dot b bar. Okay, so to prove this theorem we have to show that the left side is equal to the right side, means LHS is equal to RHS for all possible values of a and b. There are 4 possible cases, no other combination of a and b possible. See here, now we have to prove that a plus b bar that is equals to a bar dot b bar. There are 4 possible cases. See here, this whole law depends upon gates only. In next class you will learn about the gates. Okay, so case 1 means what? When a equals to 0, b equal to 0. Only there are 4 possible cases here. A and b is there. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 both are 1. So when case 1 a equal to 0 and b equals to 0, LHS we have to prove that this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, a plus b, put a equal to 0, b equal to 0. So a equal to 0, b equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Here complement is there, so 0th complement is 1. Already you know, see here 0 complement is 1. Okay, so 0 bar. Okay, in right side a bar dot b bar is there. A bar is 0, b bar is 0. So 0 bar is 1, 0 bar is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So case 1 is proved. Next case 2, a equals to 0, b equal to 1. So put a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 in this expression. So left side a plus b complement, 0 plus 1 bar. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1's complement is 0. Next right side a bar dot b bar. See here, 0 bar dot 1 bar. 0 bar is 1, 1 bar is 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. So LHS is 0, RHS is 0. So this is also proved. Next case 3, put when a equals to 1 and b equals to 0. Put these values in this expression. A plus b bar, 1 plus 0 bar, that is equals 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 bar is 0. Next right side a dot b, sorry, a bar dot b bar. Sir, 1 bar dot 0 bar, 0 into 1 that is equals to 0. So LHS is 0, RHS is 0, hence LHS equal to RHS. Next case 4, a equals to 1 and b equals to 1. See here, LHS a plus b bar that is equals to 1 plus 1 bar. 1 bar, that is 1 plus 1 is what? In digital electronics 1 plus 1 is 1. So 1 bar that is equals to 0. RHS a bar dot b bar, 1 bar dot 1 bar that is equals to 0 into 0. So 0. So LHS 0, RHS 0, hence LHS equal to RHS. No other combination of a and b is possible. Hence the theorem is proved. The above can be summarized in truth table. TT means truth table. LHS and RHS. See here, a b, y equal to a plus b bar, y equal to a bar dot b bar. This is input and this is output. A and b, these are common for all gates. First 2 0 2 1, 0 1 0 1. See, remember the truth table, whenever we put a and b, that 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, these are the constant for all truth tables. A plus b bar, see here, right, LHS a plus b bar, 1 is there, no? So 1 0 0 0. So here 1 0 0 0. A dot b bar, what we will get? 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 0. This is also truth table. So here LHS that is equals to RHS. Hence we proved that De Morgan's first law is verified. Easy now this is. So what do you mean by De Morgan's first law? The complement of sum is equal to the product of their complement. Easy now. Similarly De Morgan's second law. So what do you mean by De Morgan's second law? The law stated that the complement of product is equal to the sum of the complement. The complement of sum is equals to the law stated that the complement of product is equal to the sum of the complement. Opposite to first law. What do you mean by the first law? Complement of sum is equal to product of their complement. Here the product of the complement is equal to sum of individual complement. See here, a dot b bar that is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay. See here, similarly we have to draw the gate. A dot b bar is there. So this is what? A b, NAND gate. Okay. So here NOR gate. A dot b bar. Oh, this is mistake. This is OR gate. So right here NAND conversion. This is NAND gate. This is equivalent to a bar b bar, a plus b bar. Okay. To prove this, to prove this theorem, we have to show that LHS is equal to the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS for all possible values of A and B. There are 4 possible cases, no other combination of A and B possible. Case 1, similarly like your first law only, when both are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Already we know the condition, so put the cases in this condition, we will get LHS and RHS also. A equal to 0, B equal to 0. So LHS A dot B bar 0 dot 0 bar. So 0 into 0 is 0. The bar is 1. RHS A bar plus B bar 0 bar plus 0 bar. 0 bar is 1 plus 0 bar is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1. Case 2, A equals to 0 and B equals to 1. LHS A dot B bar, that is equals to 0 into 1 bar. So 0 into 1 is 0 bar, that is equals to 1. RHS A bar plus B bar. A bar is 0 bar plus B bar is 1 bar. So 0 bar is 1, 1 bar is 0. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. Like that, case 3, A equals to 1 and B equals to 0. So LHS A dot B bar, that is equals to 1 dot 0 bar. So 0 bar equals to 1. RHS equals to A bar plus B bar. A bar is 1 bar plus 0 bar. So 1 bar is 0, 0 bar is 1, that is equals to 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. Case 4, when A equals to 1 and B equals to 1. LHS A dot B bar. So 1 dot 1. Inversion is 1, inversion is 0. RHS A bar plus B bar. 1 bar plus 1 bar. 0 plus 0, 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. No other combination of A and B is possible. Hence the theorem is proved. The above can be summarized in truth table. LHS equal to RHS. So truth table is A, B, input and output. A dot B bar, A bar plus B bar. So 0, 0, 1, 1, constant. 0, 1, 0, 1. Input A dot B bar. So A dot B bar, 1, 1, 1, 0. So right here, 1, 1, 1, 0. A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence the theorem is proved. So what do you mean by the De Morgan's second law? A dot B bar equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay. See here, in exam you have to write both laws, okay, with the descriptions here. First law, write the statement and write the condition and draw the table, okay. And here condition cases are 1, 2, 3, 4, easy. When both are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, no, next only these are the possible ways, okay. And put these values in this expression, we will get LHS and RHS. Those are equal, okay. Similarly, second law also, A dot B bar, that is equal to A bar plus B bar. So here I did mistake. This is OR gate. A dot means A and B. That is NAND gate. NAND gate means same like this is AND. Here one balloon is coming, that is NAND. So write it is NAND gate. Okay, NAND it is, not NOR. Next, put these cases and write LHS and RHS and also write the truth table. Here De Morgan's laws are over. These are very important for the exam purpose. Next, we have to move on Boolean expression. Here, using Boolean algebra technique, simplify this expression. In exam 5 marks question, they may can ask AB plus A, B plus C plus B, B plus C. So solve this one. Now we have to prove this one. So what is the question? AB plus A, B plus C plus B, B plus C. See here first. AB is as it is, plus A into B is AB, plus A into C is AC, B into B is BB, plus B into C is BC. Okay, this is easy. Next, AB plus AB is as it is, AC, B dot B, that is equals to B. In here condition only. These are the condition I am applying there only. Okay, so B is B. So B plus C, BC is BC. AB plus AC. See here, AB plus AB. This is AB and this is AB. Not 2AB. AB plus AB is only 1AB. So AC is as it is B, BC. Already I wrote why it is come. Okay. Next, AB, AC. B plus BC is B. B plus BC is B. So AB plus B, that is equals to B plus AC. AB plus B equals to B. So B plus AC. So the answer for this expression is B plus AC. Okay. whenever we have to solve this type of expression, we must and should know those expression. Means in first already I told, no, b a plus b, a plus b plus bc, ab plus b, like that we have to know. Whenever we know those equation, then only we can solve this expression, otherwise no. So better try to understand these expressions first. Okay, so ab plus ac bb bc. So bb is what? B. A plus b is only one ab, and ab plus b, that is equals to ab, and here AB plus B equals to B only. So B plus AC. Similarly, next example. A bar BC plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus A B C. This is the expression. See here, write this expression as it is. A bar BC plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus A B C. See here, first just rearrange the terms. Means A bar BC plus, write this ABC here, plus A B bar C bar. See this one. Next A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C. Next take the common BC here. Here also BC, here also BC. So take BC as a common. Remaining is what? A bar plus A. Plus here A B bar C bar, A bar B bar C bar is there. So write this term as it is. Okay, next A bar plus A equals to 1. So this A bar plus A equals to 1. Next write this term as it is. A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C. Next BC into 1 is BC plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C. Next BC plus here, see here also A B bar is there. Here also A B bar is there. So take down A B bar as a common. Next C bar, and this is C. So C bar plus C plus A bar B bar C bar as it is. Already we know C bar plus C equals to 1. So here this also becomes 1. Remaining is A bar B bar C bar. So BC, here A B bar is there. A bar B bar C bar is there. So take B bar as a common. A plus C bar A bar. So A plus A bar C bar is A plus C bar. Okay, so BC plus B bar A plus C bar. BC plus AB bar plus B bar C bar. This type of expression ask in your examination. Okay, so be prepared that whenever you solve more examples like this, then you will understand. These are the very easy problems. Just we have to know these expression. Say A plus A bar C bar is what? A plus C bar. A plus A bar is 1. C plus C bar is 1. But A plus A bar C bar is what? A plus C bar. This is new one. So A plus C bar. Remaining is BC plus A into B bar plus B bar C bar. This is the answer for this expression. Okay, now third example. Prove that A plus B, A plus C, that is equals to A plus BC. A plus B and A plus C, they were given. So just multiply. A into A plus AC. Okay, plus AC plus BA plus BC. Now A into A is A. Already you know A into A equals to A. AC as it is. AB BC as it is. AC means what? See, say A plus AC. So take A common. Remaining is 1 plus C plus AB plus BC. So A dot 1 plus AB plus BC. So this is A plus AB plus BC. So here also take A as a common. 1 plus B plus BC. So 1 plus B, 1 plus C, these are 1. So A dot 1 plus BC as it is. So A plus BC. So A plus B, A plus C, the answer is A plus BC. Okay, easy is there, no? So 1 plus C, 1 plus B, 1 plus A, the value of those is 1. Okay, next. Show that A B bar D plus A B bar D bar, that is equals to A B bar. A B bar D plus A B bar D bar, that is equals to A B bar. See here. Take A B bar as a common. Remaining is D plus D bar, that is equals to 1. So A B bar into 1, that is A B bar. Easy, no? So the answer for this is A B bar. They were given. Show that. Next example. AB plus AC complement plus A bar B bar C, that is equals to what? They were asked. See here. AB plus AC bar plus A bar B bar C is there. See here, this is AB plus AC bar means what? AB bar, that is what? AB bar AC A bar C. See here, this is what? De Morgan's first law, means the complement, the second law. The sum of the complement is equal to product of the complement, means A bar plus AC bar, that is equals to AB bar dot AC bar plus A bar B bar C, as it is here. De Morgan's laws. What it is there? Plus is there first. A plus B bar means A bar B bar. First law is there, no? So apply here first law. Means AB is there. A plus B bar is what? A bar B bar. Here AB bar plus AC bar is there, means AB bar into AC bar. Okay. Plus A bar B bar C. See here, AB bar is there, no? So A bar plus B bar. A bar plus C bar. A bar B bar C bar. Means what? Again here we are applying De Morgan's law. Means what? Here first law we apply, here second law. Means here second law. A dot B bar, that is equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay. So A dot B bar, that is equal to A bar plus B bar, like that only. A dot B bar is there, no? So individual sum means A bar plus B bar. Here to here De Morgan's first law. Here to here De Morgan's second law I am applying. A bar plus C bar plus A bar B bar C. A bar. Okay, A bar into A bar plus. A bar into A bar into C bar is A bar C bar, B bar into A bar is B bar B bar, C bar is B bar C bar, A bar B bar C bar. Already we know A bar into A bar, that is equals to A. So A bar and C bar plus B C bar plus A bar B bar plus A bar B bar C. See here, A bar into A bar is what? A. So A bar into A bar is A. A bar into C bar, that is equal to A bar C bar, as it is. B bar C bar B bar C bar. A bar B bar is A bar B bar. Next A bar B bar C, that is what? A bar B bar C. A bar B bar plus A bar B bar C, that is equals to A bar B bar 1 plus C. Take A bar B bar common, that is what? A bar B bar. Okay. So whenever A bar B bar 1 and here also A bar B bar there, means only one A bar B bar. Already we solved AB plus AB is only one AB. So A bar B bar, this is also A bar B bar means, sorry. Whenever we solve these terms, we will get A bar B bar. So A bar B bar, that is. Next A bar plus B bar C bar plus AB bar. AB bar means what? A bar and A bar C bar, that is what? A bar only. So here I am solving here only. So see here to here De Morgan's first law. So here to here De Morgan's second law. So multiply these equations. Next A bar B bar so that is equals to A bar B bar. So right here A bar and A bar C bar is nothing but A bar. So right here 1, these 2 second, this is third. Next A bar plus B bar plus B bar C bar only. Next take A bar common, 1 plus B bar C bar, that is equals to A bar plus B bar C bar, because 1 plus B bar equals to 1. So the answer for this is like this. Okay, this is different one, means we are applying De Morgan's first and second law both. Next prove that A plus A bar B, that is equals to AB. This is easy. A plus A bar B. Already we know A means what? A plus AB. So apply A plus AB, that is plus A bar B plus this A bar B. So A plus take B as a common, A plus A bar. So A plus B, because A plus A bar equals to 1. So A plus A bar B, that is equals to A plus B. Okay, and here I am giving 3 example as a homework. Okay, better try to solve these example. If you are not getting answer, please contact me. I will solve these answers in next class. Otherwise, I want to move on to the basic gates and conversion of basic gates. Okay. So what we learn in this class? What we learn in this class? Boolean algebra using this expression. So remember, when we remember this expression, then only you have to solve those expression. Okay, so these are the very important expression. Remember this expression. Okay, using this expression only we solve these types of equations. Okay, and De Morgan's first law and second law, very important question for your exam purpose. See, in your question paper, in 10-mark question they may can ask, explain De Morgan's theorem using truth table, with the truth table. So remember, first law is means what? The sum of the complement is equal to the product of the complement. So first draw the logic gates and prove the cases and draw the truth table. Similarly, the second law is the product of the complement is equal to the sum of the individual complement, sum of the individual complement of the some of the individual complement of these input. These are input and output. And also I forgotten to say that in your practical many examples depends on gates only. Okay, so when we perfect in gates, that is in theory, it is very easy to do the practicals. So first you have to learn the gates and De Morgan's laws also in practical is there. Basic gates is also in practical is there. In that we have to just prove this truth table. What do you mean by the input and output? Means already the gates are there in that kit, only just we have to put the input and we have to check the output, that is using truth table. Means whenever 0 is there 1 will come, means that is verify the table. Okay, only this much practical is there. This is very easy. Okay, so better to remember these two laws and this expression. These are little bit difficult, means these answer will not get easily, so try to solve these expression. Okay, whenever you solve more expression, then only you will get understand. And already I have given 3 example as a homework. Better to try to solve these examples. If you get the answer, this is then it is good. If you not get the answer, then contact me, then only I will solve these problems in next class. Otherwise I want to start the basic gates. Any doubt in this chapter? If you have any doubt, please contact me. And De Morgan's laws are very important for 10 marks, and this Boolean expression equations are very important for 5 marks. Means 15 marks come from this class only. Okay, easy class. See here, I did mistake here. A dot B bar. Dot means what? AND gate. So this is A dot B, and inversion is there, means inversion, and inversion is NAND. So draw this gate only here and write one balloon. That is only NAND. Means what? Same like this and one balloon. I draw here NOR. That is not NOR. That is NAND. Here also A bar plus B bar. This is correct. This is mistake. Okay, so draw here NAND gate. Okay, make correction here. See here students, the Boolean algebra, A plus A bar. In your textbook also A plus A bar, that is sometimes A may can write and sometimes 1 may can write. Okay, and also these are the standard examples only they were wrote here. We solve now here AB plus AB bar, that is equals to A. We prove there. And also this is what commutative law, A plus B equal to B plus A, and this is what associative law, like your set only. Okay, and some A plus A bar B, A plus AB is there. A is there, no, we wrote there instead of A we can write A plus AB, like that also. And instead of A, using this means what? We have to just adjust the expression. Sometimes we will put A equals to A plus AB, then we will get the answer. Otherwise sometimes whenever A is there, we will put AB plus AB bar, then we will get some answer. Prove that or show that is there, no? Just we have to show, means if A is there, A plus AB is putting, answer is come, means it is correct. If it is not come, means then we have to put A equals to AB plus AB bar, like that only. So we have to rearrange the terms only. So don't confuse. So remember these expression and try to solve those equations. Okay, so thank you. And also see here, this is not show that. We have to just prove y equals to A bar BC plus A B bar C plus ABC. Y equal to is there. Okay, so put So put means BC is there, here BC, here BC, take BC common, A bar plus A, next A B bar C is there, then solve it is. Here what? Show that means we have to prove that this equals to this and this is equals to this. These are easy, means we know the answer, we have to just show that, but this is little bit different because we don't know the answer. So try to solve these equations. If you have any doubt, please ask me. In next class I want to discuss about the basic gates and realization of those gates. Only one class enough to finish this digital electronics, and one more class for special materials, means only 2 class I want to finish this chapter, that is paper 1 digital electronics and special materials. And I have the paper 2 chapter is what? Integral transform, that is Fourier transform and Laplace transform. Okay, so please remember this chapter. This is very easy, digital electronics and special materials. Try to solve these examples and these whatever the exam homework I have given to you. Okay, so please be prepared for digital electronics. This is there for your internal test. Okay, if you have any doubt, please contact me.